All right, I said we're gonna try some problems here. So yeah, this is evaluating expressions. So with two variables, you plug in the stuff. We talked about this already. Instead of writing j, instead of writing j times k, what we're gonna write is, well, instead of j, we have 8. So it'll be 8. Whenever you have two variables right next to each other, it's multiplication. Times whatever k is. That's 3. Okay, that's pretty good. And then minus, we have a minus 4 or a negative 4. It's both of those, remember. And then it's right next to the k, so that means multiply. But k is 3. Well, you know that. Okay. And then minus 7. Then we have to follow PEMDAS. So we'll have 8 times 3 is 24. I can't subtract the 4 yet. I have to do the multiplication first. Negative 4 times positive 3 is negative 12 or minus 12. It's both of those at the same time. Then you have 24 minus 12 is 12. Now I'm just doing left to right. 12 and then minus 7, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. And so here is 5. Give me 5. Done. All right, moving on. What about this one? Well, same idea. All we're going to do, we have the 6, nothing to plug in there, plus 4 divided by a. Now, a is 4. So we'll divide it by 4 plus b. What's b? b is 3. So 3 over 3. Ooh, that's nice. 6 plus 1 plus 1. 4 divided by 4 is 1. 3 divided by 3 is 1. Okay. 6 plus 1 is 7. 7 plus 1 is 8. Answer, 8. 8. That's from Home Alone 2. Okay. This one's combining like terms. What are like terms? Like terms, remember, are terms that have the same variable to the same power, or just no variable, like regular numbers are like terms. So this, just draw, this 3n, or negative 3n, and the negative 6n, those are like terms, so I'm going to combine their coefficients. So that'll be the negative 3 and the negative 6. They're the same sign, so I add them. 6, 7, 8, 9, n, but it's negative, because when they're the same sign, you keep the sign. And then these are also like terms. Negative 7 and positive 1, they're opposite signs. I subtract, 7, 6, and I take the negative because that 7 is bigger. So negative 9n minus 6, or you could write it negative 6 minus 9n. And there you go. Moving on up. Yeah. The idea for this video is just to show you a bunch of examples. So if we go fast, if I go too fast, you can deposit. Okay? Not deposit like a bank, but you can pause. Never mind. Again, combine like terms. I have the 3z and the negative 5z. They're opposite signs. Remember, I'm looking at their coefficients. So negative 5 and a positive 3, if I'm adding and subtracting, that's what I'm doing when I'm combining like terms, adding and subtracting. So here I'd have negative 2z, because they're opposite signs, so I subtract to take the bigger sign. And then 2 and 6, that's 8, and it's positive, plus 8. Or you could write 8 minus 2z. Yeah. Let's keep it going, huh? So this one says expand the expression and combine like terms. All that means is first I got to distribute. So there's that negative 5. I have to multiply. This is multiplication. So I'll multiply there. And then the 4 I will also, this is not pretty, I will also distribute. And I'm multiplying. So let's do that first part. Negative 5 times 1. What is that? Negative 5, of course. Negative 5 times negative 5k. Well, negative 5 times negative 5 is positive 25. And then there's the k there. Okay, all right. Okay. And then the negative 4 times the 2k. Negative 4 times 2 is negative 8. Tack on the k. Negative 4 times 5 is negative 20. And now I can combine like terms like I did on the other problem. First 25 and minus 8k, or negative 8k. That's 25, 24, 23, 22, 21, 20, 19, 18, 17. Positive 17k. And then negative 5 and negative 20, that's minus 25. Oh, look at that. It's that one. That's the answer. Cool. I think one more example? Yeah, one more. Same idea here. I have those parentheses, so I'm going to need to distribute. So I'll take the 4 times the negative 15 and also times the negative 3p. Remember, when you're distributing, you're multiplying. So 4 times negative 15, that's going to be negative 450, 60, negative 60, I think so. 4 times negative 3, that's negative 12, but there's also a p there. And then now I have to do negative 4 times negative p. Oh, this is a good one. Here, that's like a negative 1p. Right? When there's no number in front, you can put a 1 in front. So negative 4 times negative 1 is positive 4. Tack on the p. Negative 4 times 5 is negative 20. All right, now I can combine like terms. They're opposite signs, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8. Negative 8p and negative 80, I think. So it's the first one. There we go. Sweet beans. Nobody says that. We're done.